Today is a big fun day for us. I get the rare opportunity to spend some time with just the older boys today, and so we are on our way to take the little two to Graham and Paps for the day, and we are going to go to the Bryce Jordan Center and see monster trucks. So stay tuned for seeing some monster trucks with us today. I always like to give you a little business tip whenever I do these videos, and one thing that's just really been on my heart lately is to be able and comfortable to ask for help. Regardless of your situation, how many kids you have, how big your business is, how small your business is, how much time you're able to devote to your business, and how much time you're busy just running your home life. I'm there, I'm with you. It's hard and it can be a lot. And I've always told myself that we chose to have 5 kids. And so whenever we made the decision to have 5 kids, we took on the commitment of raising them and, being with them. But we also have to constantly remember that it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to seek family out and ask for, can you watch the kids for this? Can you watch the kids for that? And it's a little humbling sometimes because it can be really hard. But ask for help, because more times than not, they are overly excited and more willing to help you, and they feel purpose as well when they help you. And so don't guilt yourself and don't shame yourself for asking for help, because it is there. And if you don't have help, find a friend, there's always people that are very willing to help. If you're involved in a church, everybody has a friend. And so just don't be afraid to ask for help, because we all need it. And running a small business, I have been very grateful and very thankful to continually have help of family around me, and I couldn't be more thankful for that. But just remember to asking for help is okay. Okay, we are very excited to be here. We just got in the Bryce Jordan Center, and the excitement is pretty strong. Okay guys, come on. I will say the hoops and bounds to get in here is ridiculous with the rules and regulations, but we're here now. You guys excited?